here?
No, you weren't supposed
How
to
long have you
hear
been
me.
here?
I was scheming.
How long have you been here?
Like 5 minutes. I was trying to think of a way to spook you, and I have a clip of Kronii all pulled up.
I just opened
Anonymous.
Discord.
Hmm?
Anonymous.
I have a clip of Kronii up. I was trying to find the right clip, but all of them had music behind it, so it wouldn't be convincing enough. I was trying to get one of her saying Kronichiwa.
Oh,
It didn't work though. Hi.
hi. Where's Bay here?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello, Bay.
Hello.
Welcome.
Hello.
Uh-oh.
Wait, whose voice is that? It was mine.
Hold on.
Wait, what?
Did you play Kronii audio?
No.
I thought I heard Kronii. I thought you played Kronii. I heard it.
No, I didn't!
I could have sworn. Okay, maybe I missed Kronii. I think I'm hearing things. Sorry.
Oh,
You must
no,
miss
it's
her.
okay. We all miss Kronii.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody miss Kronii.
Kronii.